Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Google Search Console with Shopify. Connecting your Shopify store to Google Search Console allows you to verify your website ownership, monitor your site's performance in Google Search, identify indexing issues, and improve your SEO. In this guide, I'll walk you through connecting your Shopify store to Google Search Console using the HTML tag verification method. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Go to Google Search Console and sign in to your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the three lines located in the top left corner. Next, click on your property. When the property search bar appears, click Add Property. The Add Property page will open. From here, click Add a Website. You'll now see two property type options. Choose URL prefix. In the field provided, enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure you enter the complete URL of your Shopify store. After entering your website address, click Continue. Google Search Console will now display several verification methods. Locate the HTML tag verification method. Then expand the dropdown. After that, copy the HTML meta tag provided by Google. Now open a new browser tab and go to the Shopify website. Sign in to your Shopify account. Once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard, click Online Store from the left-hand sidebar. Under the Themes section, locate your active theme. Click the three dots next to the theme. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. The theme code editor will open. On the left side, click Layout. Then select Theme, Liquid. The main theme file will now open in the code editor. Locate the is less than head is greater than section of the page. Inside these, paste the HTML tag that you copied from Google Search Console. After pasting the verification tag, click Save located in the top right corner. Once the changes have been saved, return to Google Search Console. Finally, complete the verification process by clicking the verification button so Google can confirm ownership of your Shopify store. Once verification is successful, your Shopify website will be connected to Google Search Console, allowing you to monitor search performance, indexing status, and SEO insights. It is important to understand that you should leave the verification HTML tag in your Shopify theme. Removing it later may cause your site verification to fail. To summarize, connecting Google Search Console with Shopify begins by opening Google Search Console, signing into your account, opening the menu, selecting your property, and clicking Add Property. Choose the URL prefix option, enter your Shopify store URL, and click Continue. Next, open the HTML tag verification method and copy the provided HTML tag. Then sign into Shopify, go to Online Store, click the three dots next to your active theme, select Edit Code, open Layout, followed by Theme, Liquid, and paste the HTML tag inside the is less than head is greater than section of the code. Save your changes, return to Google Search Console, and complete the verification process. Connecting Shopify to Google Search Console gives you valuable insights into your website's visibility, indexing, and performance in Google search results. And that's how to connect Google Search Console with Shopify. By verifying your Shopify store using the HTML tag method, you'll gain access to powerful SEO tools that help you monitor your site's performance and improve its visibility on Google.